Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Vital, and in this video we talk about the mistakes that that a common student can make in the exam hall or in the exam time. So that is why the our topic is common mistakes that students make in examination. That may be the board examination, competitive examination, or college examination. So in this type of examinations, when one person or one student sit, he or she sometimes make some common mistakes. So we discuss about the mistakes and how to eliminate these mistakes. The first mistake that a student make commonly make, it is the time management. In examination there is a certain period, a certain fixed hours of time, certain or fixed hours of time. In examination generally for 100 marks paper there is 3 hours time for completing the examination. So for this reason there is a time limit. So for this reason you have to plan your time, that in how much time you complete your a part of the question. You have to manage your time previously, because without managing your time in exam, during the exam time, you cannot write all the question, you cannot write you cannot get the time to answer all the questions. So for this reason time management is important. Previously, before the examination, you have to know that what are about the time management, because in the examination time there is a limited amount of time. Next important point that a student can make a mistake in that thing, it's the stress. Sometimes students are becoming stressful, and the more stress can cause a means bad time or bad performance in the examination. So for this reason the stress is one of the important point that can cause the examination to be a means performance in the examination, bad performance in the examination. So for this reason you have to manage your stress, because stress management is important. Because if you control your stress, then you can easily perform good in the examination. So for this reason manage stress. So the third point that you require to improve, it is the silly mistakes. In major students I see that they are making silly mistake during the paper writing. So in during paper writing you cannot make any silly mistake, because silly mistake will reduce your marks, because their examiner cannot give any marks to that person if you make silly mistake. So don't try to make any silly mistake, avoid it. 100% you cannot avoid it, because we are human being and we cannot avoid 100% mistake 100%, but we can improve our mistake. We can learn from our mistake, and we can reduce our mistake. The third mistake that we make, it's the lack of sleep before the exam time. We do not sleep more, because of the exam tension or pressure. I think that is extremely dangerous, because your fixed time of sleeping can improve your performance, because sleeping is very important for a student before examination, because sleeping can give you rest, your organs rest, and it can improve your performance. So proper sleeping is very important here. Another important thing is follow the class note and more. Before you sit examination, you have to follow your uh, class note and the books that are required, the materials or the content from the books and the class notes you have to watch, follow thoroughly. Okay. Next mistake is feel good before exam you sometimes you feel good, like yes, I am very confident, and in this exam I can easily score 100 marks out of 100. So this type of overconfidence is bad for you. So before examination you do not need to be overconfident about the examination, that examination will be very good, I can get 100% marks on these subjects. No. So next thing is syllabus. Before sitting in an exam, you have to know properly that what is the syllabus of the exam. According to syllabus you have to prepare yourself, otherwise in the exam time you will be stressful, you cannot understand that from where the question is coming. Okay, so for this reason you have to aware about the syllabus of the examination. Next thing is easily distracted. Easily distracted, you do not need to be easily distracted. Okay, some students are making this mistake that they are easily distracted by some points, by some things happening in the exam hall. So you do not need to be easily distracted. Okay, you have whatever had happened during the exam time, you do not need to be distracted. Next, lack of practice. Before you sitting in an examination, you have to practice the content more number of times, because when you practice the questions more number of time before attending the examination, then it has a high chance of making good answer to the examination. Next mistake is the next mistake is keep your paper clean during the examination time. Sometimes we write some means we overwrite a paper, that is very dangerous, because we need to keep our paper clean. And some precautions, or you can say mistakes that we make, that student make in before exam or in the exam hall, is like roll number in the paper. In the exam paper you should write your roll number and your unique ID or whatever present. You should have to write it properly, otherwise your paper will be cancelled automatically. And another important thing is before examination you have to reach in the examination center or examination hall. If it is offline, before 10 minutes you have to reach that exam center or hall, and you have to keep all the important documents and pen and pencil, like you have to keep your admit card before going to the exam center. You have to remember that your admit card is very important thing, you have to bring it to the exam hall. And all the required items like pencil, paper, etc., you have to carry before examination. And in the exam hall you have to understand that if you take any loose seat in examination, some students write in the loose seat also. So these loose seats are very important, because you have to bind this loose seat with the main answer sheet properly. And in each loose seat pages you have to write your name and roll number, or not in all cases you have to write your name, your roll number in that loose sheets. So in this way you can minimize your mistakes. And another important mistake is handwriting. In exam you must keep your handwriting good, because good handwriting can give you more better impression, and teacher can understand your answer clearly. So this is one important thing, that your handwriting should be as good as possible. Another important thing, before writing any question answer, read the question properly. Read the question properly. This is the most important thing. Before writing any answer, you have to understand the question first. If you do not understand the question first, then you cannot write a right answer. So So for this reason, at first you have to clearly understand the question, then write the answer of the question. So these are the some mistakes that are made by a student during the exam time. So I wanted to clear these mistakes, and we suppose we think that I will not do any mistake in the examination time. So this cannot happen, because we are human being. We cannot remove 100% of our mistakes, but if we try, we can remove our mistakes, we can eliminate our mistakes, and in this way we can give a better performance during the examination. And yeah, if you write well in the examination, or if your performance well in the examination, that will give you a good result. So that's it. And it is the topic, and I wanted to clear this topic, that how can we remove these mistakes, and what are the mistakes that we make in the exam. So I think you like this topic, and if you find that this video is useful to you, then like this video. And if you want to watch the all other videos from this channel, I made generally videos from the chemistry subjects, and some motivational videos, success stories videos, and the exam related videos, and course related videos. So if you find that find the other videos are useful to you, then you can watch that videos from the watch list that I created in my channel. And thank you for watching this video.